Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar for your Facebook profile. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now click on the three-dot bar on the top right corner and select your profile. Now click on the edit profile and choose create avatar. You can select it from your selfie or you can create it manually. You can take a selfie to create it automatically. On the other hand, if you want to create it manually, then choose the manual option. And now choose the skin tone. I'm choosing this one. And choose the hairstyle. I'm choosing this one. Next. And I'm going to choose the face shape. I'm choosing this one. And clicking again on this next button. And choose the body shape. I'm choosing this one. You can adjust it by swiping left or swiping right. Continue. And finally, you can choose your outfit too. And finally, click on this done button to create your avatar successfully. Now click on this publish avatar button and your avatar is being saved. And that's all for today's video. Now you know how to create an avatar for your Facebook profile. And this is your avatar. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.